This is a closer look at this Griddle accessory kit right here. I'm new to the Griddle world. I just picked up a 36-inch Blackstone. This kit was highly recommended from some friends of ours. They have this kit and they just said it's really great. It goes really well with the Blackstone Griddle, and you definitely want to check it out. So let's open it up and see what's inside right here. It's packaged up really nicely here. You can see they did a really nice job packaging everything up. Let's open it up and let's see what's inside here. So let's say we got the storage bag right here. It has the name on here, Ashihoti. So then let's say you're gonna be able to put everything in here. So then just, let's see, we got a scraper here. Got this basting brush. Got the 2 bottles here. I believe these are 200 milligrams each one here, nice size. We got the spice shakers, so salt and pepper shakers here. You got this for like the smash burger. And again, this is all made really well. This is like very, very heavy duty here. You could get some really nice weight to this here. You got these 2 items here. These are for making eggs. Really cool. One is in the shape of a heart. One is circular here, but overall really cool. See, we have a spatula here. And again, you can see here the sides are really nice and really nice materials on here. It's just got some really nice weight to it. We got a handle right here. And then we got, it looks like a cleaning sponge on here. It's really nice, nicely made. Very nice. This is a really nice kit. It just comes with a lot of really good stuff. These are the tongs right here. And then you got your spatulas here. Really nice size, really nice and durable here. This is a really nice kit. It comes with pretty much everything you're gonna need right here. You got one more spatula, and you got this one here. This is like the cleaner here. This is like a griddle scraper to get rid of all the stuff on it. So overall, really nice kit here. So I'll let you to measure on this side here, but overall, very pleased with this. If you just picked up a griddle, you're absolutely gonna want to check this kit out here. It comes with pretty much everything you're gonna need, and definitely want to pick one of these up.